Generac's GP17500E electric start generator, the most powerful, portable generator on the market. Powered by Generac's electric start OHVI engine, the GP17500E incorporates full pressure lubrication with an automotive-style oil filter for an even longer engine life. The idle control reduces noise and conserves fuel for extended run times, letting you do what you want, when you want. Featuring a low oil pressure, automatic shutdown, and an hour meter that tracks maintenance intervals, the GP17500E protects itself from engine damage, giving you one less thing to think about so you can focus on the job. Its large capacity fuel tank with a combined fuel gauge offers extended run times, while the hardened 1 1/4 inch steel tube cradle adds durability and strength. The GP17500E portable generator can do just about anything you want it to do, with the power and durability to back it up. Generac, the power you need, whenever and wherever you need it.